Number 2, Montalban Jetro. Number 11, Domasic Jerry. Number 7, Maxino Gabriel. And number 3, Ramiro Joshua. Alright, series 2, 1 and 2 for 6. Number 23, Ace Kachan. Jersey number 4, Paeta. Jersey number 8, Ballesteros. Jersey number 3, John Eric Tolentino. Jersey number 14, Peter. Jersey number 2, Rich Bueno. Our national referee, first referee, Nixie Clarito. Our next, second referee, Herbie Asuncion. Service po ng ating MCDC. Announcement ulit ha, sa lahat po ng mga nasa tabi, gilid lang po kayo ng kaunti, baka mamaya maghabol po ng bola ang mga players natin. So medyo mag-a-adjust lang po tayo. Alright, here we go! The battle! Begin! Serve jersey number 11, Jerry Damasi. Outside. Alright, check ball. Serve jersey number 4, our captain ball. Mr. Paeta. Nice receive. Drop ball. Set. Good ball. Set the DJ. Drop ball. Serve jersey number 7, Maxino Gabriel. Nice serve. Overreaching. Violation. Serve jersey number 2, Rich Bueno. 4 touches. Another serve, jersey number 2. Official score, 3-1. Touch net. Serve, jersey number 5, De La Rosa Josh. Nice serve, nice receive, set by Bote, Tolentino. Inside. Serve, jersey number 3, John Yuri Tolentino. Inside. Official score, 4-3. Favor of MCDC 1. Serve, jersey number 13, Coronia Jordan. Outside. Serve, jersey number 23, Ace Kachan. Ramiro. Inside. Official score 5-4, favor of series 1 and 2. Serve, Jetro Montalban, jersey number 2. Serve, jersey number 14, John Fresh Peter Angulo. Official score 5-6. Serve, jersey number 3, Ramiro Joshua. Nice receive. Good ball. Set by Tomasi. Maximo! Inside. Official score, all 6. Another serve, jersey number 3. Nice receive. Set. Balesteros, nakuha. Not over. Official score 6-7. Serve, Ballesteros, jersey number 8. Set again, Tolentino. Back. Inside. Nice serve. Away. Official score 8-7, favor of series 1 and 2. Serve, our captain ball, jersey number 4, Paeta. Nice receive. Drop ball from Maxino.
Dinak na lang tayo.
Serve, jersey number 7. Outside. Serve, jersey number 2, Rich Bueno. Tolentino. Inside. Another serve, jersey number 2. Receive. Inside. Serve, jersey number 5, De La Rosa Josh. Inside from Valentino. Official score 11-9, favor of series 1 and 2. Serve, jersey number 3. Good ball. Ramiro. Inside. Official score 11-10, favor of series 1 and 2. Nice receive. Good ball. Uwa. Ramilo. Drop ball. All 11. Serve, jersey number 13. Ballesteros. Owa. All right. Inside. Change favor. 12-11. Favor of MCBC 1. Nice serve. Bote. Touch net. Number 14. Another serve, jersey number 13. Nice receive. Inside. Official score 14-11. Nice receive. Timeout. Series 1 and 2. Official score 15-11. Ako ba ang hinahaman nyo mga bek-bek? Magnomas na kayo! Smile! Walang mangot! Alright, back to the ball game. Nice serve. Ballesteros, nakuha. Set again. Drop ball. Set by Bote. Ballesteros! Inside. Serve, jersey number 23. Nice serve. Ramilo. Nakuha. Okay, touch the net. Official score 16-12. Favor of MCDC 1. Inside from Maxino. Back row attack, off spin. Alright, touch the net. Official score 18-12. Serve, jersey number 2, Jetro Montalban. Ballesteros, inside. Official score 19-12. Another serve, jersey number 2, Jetro Montalban. Back row attack. Blocked by Maxino. Another serve. Haway. Official score 20-13. Favor of MCDC. Serve, jersey number 14. Good. Maxino. Ramilo. Inside. To 21-13. Nice receive from Tolentino. Sinet, Dibote, Ballesteros. Another serve by jersey number 3. Good ball. Number 5. Good ball. Good. Set again. Maxino. Good. Nakuha. Trap ball by Bote. Set point! by MCDC 1. Nice serve. Set again. Good. Thank you. Another game for set B. Official score, set 14. Yes. Good ball. Grab ball. Set by Magsino. Ayan na. Oh! Okay na ngayon. I'll serve. Jersey, number 8. Nice serve. Received by Magsino. Magsino. Off spin. Alright. Win. 25-15. For set A. Back to the ball game.
Ayan nyo yan, laban!
Binabati po namin si Ian Jana from Perth, Australia. Yahoo! Serve jersey number 8. Nice serve. Not over. Puntos ng MCBC 1. I'll serve. All right, 8. Dead ball. Another serve. Nice receipt. Set. Inside. Bote set. Tolentino. Inside. Serve jersey number 8. Ballesteros. Good ball. Inside. Official score 2-1. Paper up series 1 and 2. Good ball. Magsino, nakuha. Over. Tolentino, nakuha ang Ramilo. Set. Drop ball, nakuha ulit. Good. Set by Jenny. Magsino! Magsino! Okay, nag-yosi po sa loob ng court. Patabi lang po. Bawal po mag-yosi ngayon. Dito sa loob ng court. Pasuyo na po. Inside! Official score. Change favor na po. 3-2. Favor of 1. Nice serve, Ate Jerry. Inside. Official score 4-2. Good ball. Over. Set by Jerry. Serve. Captain ball. Paite. Jersey number 4. Maximo. Served by Maxino. Inside. Another dancer from Maxino. Official score 7-3. Favor of NCDC 1. Walang mag-iosing. Official score 7-4. Serve jersey number 2, Mr. Bueno. Inside by jersey number 13. Serve jersey number Tolentino, nakuha. Official score 8-5. Favor of MCDC 1. Serve jersey number 3. Ramiro. Not over. Another serve, jersey number 3. Another serve, jersey number 3. Lamang po ng isa ang series 1 and 2. Mali pala. MCDC. Inside. All 8. Another serve. Jersey number 3. Nice serve. Nice. Baliceros for grapple. Timeout, MCDC. Back to the ball game. Away. Official score, all 9. Serve, jersey number 13. Nice receive. Bote. Ballesteros. Serve by Ganda, jersey number 11-10, favor of series 1 and 2. Nice receive, ate. Set by Bote, Ballesteros. One in hand by Maxino. Served by Jetro Montalban.